So my name's Paul Rowe and I'm a director here at Applied Automation. Applied Automation is a leading manufacturer and supplier of automation and control systems based right here in Plymouth. We've been supporting British and international industries for just over 35 years, from factory automation to marine electronics and ergonomic workplace systems. Plymouth gives us the best of both worlds. It has a skilled workforce, strong engineering heritage and connectivity we need to thrive. But it also offers a quality of life that helps us attract and retain great people. We're proud to be part of a growing tech and manufacturing hub here in the Southwest. In 2005, we built a machine for a customer based in Gloucester, which this week has completed 41 million machine cycles in just over 20 years. We like this story because it gives us some evidential context to the build quality coming out of our shop floor and the craftsmanship. We're in a real phase of growth at the moment, expanding what we offer, reaching new markets and taking on bigger, more complex projects. At the same time, we're looking after our team. We're currently consulting on moving to a 4-day working week with the goal of improving work-life balance without compromising on productivity. Something that we're really hopeful about. Looking ahead, it's all about smart growth, building on our strengths, supporting our people, continuing to show what a Southwest business can achieve on a global stage.